skins or shirts. Come on, queen, make it work. What's your dream? A-list perks, champagne fountains, quench your thirst. Surf and turf until you burst. Hanging on the bridge with James T. Kirk. Chasing them aliens, saving Earth. Yeah, we celebrate our quirks. Wave your freak flag, twirl that purse. Make them freak fans go berserk. Scream your name, buy your merch. Chase that dream until it hurts. Drop that verse. Make it work. Just how it works. Things get going from bad to worse. You lose your flow and your sense of purse, but still you're gonna have to make it work. On with the show even if it hurts. This is live, no drizz rehearsal, no do-overs, no reversals. Basic facts, not controversial. Making it work is universal. Now cut the commercial. Whatever your dream is, you can be the one. You can get it, son, but it ain't gonna come till the work is done. So stick to business, get those funds. Might not always finish first, but we make it work.